Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Robinhood Gold. First, understand that Robinhood Gold is a premium subscription service offering several financial advantages. It provides tools like margin investing, which can amplify your trading power. Additionally, you can earn a competitive interest rate on any uninvested cash in your brokerage account. These features are designed to help you maximize your potential returns and grow your portfolio more effectively. Let's dive into how each of these benefits works. One primary way to potentially make more money with Robinhood Gold is through margin investing. This feature allows you to borrow funds against your eligible securities to purchase additional investments. While this can significantly amplify your potential returns, it's crucial to understand that it also increases your risk exposure. Robinhood Gold members typically benefit from a more favorable margin interest rate, making this strategy more accessible and potentially more profitable for experienced investors. Another excellent benefit of Robinhood Gold is the ability to earn interest on your uninvested cash. Instead of letting your money sit idle, it actively generates returns for you. This feature ensures that every dollar in your account is working towards your financial goals, whether it's actively invested or waiting for your next trade. The interest rate offered is competitive, providing a solid return on your liquid funds, often surpassing what you might find in a standard savings account. Beyond margin and interest, Robinhood Gold provides access to professional research from Morningstar, helping you make more informed investment decisions. You also get advanced data and insights, which can be invaluable for identifying new opportunities and understanding market trends. These tools empower you to refine your strategies and potentially enhance your overall portfolio performance. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.